Hey guys, another new episode of How to Improve Your Eyesight using FPS or First Person Shooter. So according to research in University Rochester, action video game improve vision. Video games that involves high level of action such as first person shooter games increase a player's real world vision according to research in today's neuroscience. And this says it improves the ability to discern slight differences in shades of gray, also improves contrast sensitivity, and it also improves one's lazy eye. So let's try to play some FPS. So here I open the Call of Duty FPS. Going to play this game for just one match multiplayer game. Alright, start the game. So this is one of my
hardpoint contested.
most favorite games, FPS games.
Hardpoint is ours. We've taken the lead.
Right.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint locked down. UAV
Where's the
online.
enemy?
Hardpoint contested.
Where's the enemy? Oh, I can't see enemy. Alright. Where are they?
UAV online. Hardpoint contested. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed.
Alright.
Target down!
Alright, target down. Alright.
Recon standing by. Repeat. UAV recon is standing by.
Alright.
Keep fighting. Hardpoint identified. Hunter-killer drone deployed. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hunter-killer drone
Right.
on standby. Hardpoint is ours.
Alright, we're winning. Alright.
Predator missile awaiting orders.
Headshot.
Enemy contact!
Where is it? Alright.
Boom! Headshot!
Another headshot. So this also improves your ability to focus,
Hardpoint contested.
your hand-eye coordination. Where's it?
Hardpoint identified.
Alright, headshot again. Alright,
Hostiles have captured the
alright.
hardpoint locked down.
Enemy down.
Where are they?
UAV online.
Where are the others?
Enemy contact!
Oh, there's a... Right. Oh. Got killed.
Hardpoint contested.
Grenade out!
UAV online. Hardpoint is ours.
Oh, what's that?
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed.
Oh.
Target down.
Alright.
Changing mag.
Enemy contact!
Target down. Target down.
Hardpoint identified.
Target down!
UAV online. Hunter-killer drone
Alright.
deployed. Hardpoint locked down.
Really do love this game.
Enemy down. Tango down.
Enemy down!
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Hardpoint contested.
Where are they?
Enemy down.
We're winning.
Need backup.
Keep on them. We're winning this one. Hunter-killer drone deployed. UAV online. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost.
Target down.
Where are they?
Hardpoint is ours.
Nice one.
Reloading. Cover me.
Close up
Hardpoint
match with
identified.
that.
Friendly
I
hunter-killer
saw
drone deployed. UAV online.
Nice one. Double
Hardpoint
kill.
locked down.
Enemy contact.
Alright. So, just win. So that's it. If you have this kind of games or anything using FPS, I suggest to play those games because it really not just fun but also it helps to improve your eyesight. So I hope this helps. Stay active and God bless.